Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites. Make sure your monitor supports 60Hz or higher and your GPU drivers are current. Once done, open the GPU control panel and enable performance mode. Disable VSync for testing, because VSync can lock you at 30 or 60. Next, open the game's graphics settings and set the target FPS to 60 or adaptive. This gets you into the correct state to actually raise frame output, instead of chasing unrelated settings. Now you move into the complex middle. Reduce the most expensive render settings like shadows, high-resolution textures, and post-processing. This frees GPU headroom. Then enable frame limiters or adaptive resolution scaling so the game can maintain a steady 60 instead of fluctuating around 30. Use your GPU utilities, RTSS, Radeon Chill, or DLSS/FSR, to stabilize output and upscale efficiently. Make sure background apps are closed, and monitor CPU/GPU bottlenecks with simple overlays so adjustments target. Finish by applying changes and running a focused 5 to 10 minute playtest while watching the FPS overlay to confirm stable 60. If you still see 30 frames, check for CPU or GPU throttling due to temps, and kill background processes that steal resources. Make sure power settings are on high performance. If problems persist, perform a clean driver reinstall or roll back to a known stable driver, because driver regressions can force low frame output. One tip: test with a different game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.